doubt that Austin is getting to be an expensive place to live. In fact, the average house price in the Austin area is just under $500,000. Hi, Joel Richardson, your Austin mortgage lender here. Be sure to follow me by clicking below. And if you want to live inside of Austin and you want to buy a home, the prices go even higher. Well, let's say that you're a younger borrower and you only make $60,000 a year and you have $300 of monthly debt, student loans, credit cards, what have you. Well, if you're trying to buy an $800,000 place, you can't afford that. In fact, your debt to income ratios are actually negative because a payment there would be about $6,270 a month with taxes, insurance, and mortgage insurance. If you put down 10%, you only make $5,000 a month. So 5,000 divided by 6,270 is negative. But what if you found two friends who make the exact same money and have the same debts you do? So now you not only do you have $5,000 a month income, you guys together have $15,000 of income, and y'all each have $300 of debt a month. That's $900. But that payment remains the same. At an $800,000 house, 10% down at a rate of 6.75 with taxes and insurance and mortgage insurance, that payment remains at $6,270. You guys qualify for a loan because your debt to income ratios are below the requirements needed by Fannie Mae or even FHA. So co-borrowing is a great way for you to get into a really cool house in Austin and be with some friends. So if you have any questions about co-borrowing or trying to find out how to get into a house, give me a call. I would love to help.